JEE Advanced 2024 Mathematics Paper 1, question number 5. It is given S is equal to A plus B root 2, T1 is minus 1 plus 2 to whole to power n belongs to n, T2 is equal to 1 plus 2 to n belongs to n. Let us come to this point here. Minus 1 plus root 2 is minus 1 plus 1.4, 1.414 etc. But just take 1.4 rough value. So this is 0.4 by 10, so this is 1 by 2.5. Now instead of 2.5 just take 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube. N is equal to belongs to n 1, 1, 2, 3 etc. So 1 by 2 to but 1 by 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 5, 2 by 5. So 32, 32, 1 by 1024. So 1 by 2 to the power 11 is equal to 1 by 2048. And here is 2024. So many numbers 11, this will diminishing number, diminishing. It is diminishing. So many numbers will lie between 0 and 1 by 2024. Similarly, 2 square 2 for 2024, 1024, 2 11, 20248. So many numbers above than 2 to the power 11, 2048. Here is 0, 2024 to infinity. So 2024, here it is 2048. So many numbers, this will lie between 2024 and infinity. Just I have taken this 1 by 2 instead of 2.4 just to guess it. So there are many numbers will lie between these two. So 0, what many numbers lie between this, and many numbers lie between these two. So first our therefore now A plus B root 2 is AB belongs to Z. We may treat S as the universal set for these numbers. S as universal set, and here you have T1 and a T2. So Z is integers. Z in union T1 is T2 must be a subset of S. True, because S is your universal set. Now T1 intersection 0, 1 by 204 is not equal to 5, because many numbers will lie between those two. But it is given that T1 intersection is 0, 1 by 2024 is equal to 5. So this is not true. Again, T2 intersection this is equal to not 5. It is true, because many numbers lie between these two. So many numbers lie between these two. So therefore, T2 intersection this is not 5. So this is true. It is a statement given. Now come to this point. Cos pi a plus b root 2 plus iota sine pi a plus b root 2 belongs to Z. Z is an integer. So imaginary part is equal to 0. Imaginary part is equal to 0 because Z is integer. So imaginary part is equal to 0. So sine pi a plus b root 2 is equal to 0. So pi a plus b root 2 is equal to n pi. We know that sine theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to n pi. So this is equal to n pi. Again, so irrational part is 0. Here is n is n pi. Pi will go out, so a plus b root 2 is equal to n. So imaginary part will be 0. Imaginary part is equal to 0 because it belongs to Z. So irrational part 0. Z. So irrational part is equal to 0. So pi into b root 2 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. It is given, so this is true. So b is equal to 0, it is true. So let us conclude. Z union T1, T2 belongs to S is true. This is pi. This is not, this is equal to pi, not true. This is true. This is not true. T2 intersection 205 infinity. This is true, and this is D is true. So this option resembles with no, it will be true or not true. So far true. Number 3. True and not true. Got it. Yes. Thanks.